So now I go to the next slide. So in transmission line, you divide the line into number of small units where the circuit elements can be lumped. So assuming that the resistance, so as you all know, there will be resistance in any transmission line. For example, or for simplicity, if we assume that the resistance is 0, then it can be modeled as a LC ladder network with inductors in series and capacitors in parallel. So you may wonder how it can be considered as a LC network. So as we all know, a simple wire can be considered as a conductor at low frequency. But the same wire, let us say, a length of 10 centimeter wire at high frequency has to be considered as a transmission line, because at high frequency, the wave varies its voltage and current or the field as a function of distance. That means the voltage and current at various points of the wire will vary. So this wire, a simple wire which is having only DC resistance at a low frequency, will provide inductance at high frequency. And of course, if you have two wires between two conductors, there always exists a capacitance, because two conductors in between, if you have air or any dielectric, it forms a capacitance naturally. So any two-wire line can be modeled as a inductor in series with capacitors in parallel. So such segments, number of such segments will lead to a LC ladder network, and time taken for the wave to travel in one unit length is root of LC to the power of, that is 1 by LC to the power 0.5, right? And the velocity of wave, as you know, it is meter per second. Next, of course, if you are having a LC network or a network having L and C, you always have a definition of impedance, right? You always have a definition of impedance. So this impedance offered by the wire has to be considered for finding out the properties of the two-wire line. So the impedance is nothing but the ratio of voltage and current. And of course, we all know the impedance for any transmission line is commonly denoted by a term called as characteristic impedance, which is always a real number.